Hello friends! What better way to celebrate the month of MARCHintosh than to have a fabulous giveaway? Exactly 1 month ago, I released my giveaway video about the Macintosh SE Reloaded kit, which is one of the most comprehensive kits you're ever going to find, worth approximately $400 US. And well, that's what we're going to be giving away today. I'm of course going to be paying for the shipping wherever you are in the world, so long as Japan Post can ship to the winner. But before we jump to picking the winner, I have a great new bonus to announce. Now, a gentleman by the name of Charlie, who is known as 68K Rescue over at the Tinker Different forum, contacted me this week to say that he is going to donate his SE battery-bombed motherboard to the winner. If the winner is based in the United States, he will even pay for shipping to ship it directly to the winner. Now, if you're located outside the United States, he is willing to ship it to you as well, so long as, number one, USPS, United States Postal Service, can ship to your address, and number two, so long as you, the winner, are willing to pay for shipping. But again, if you're based in the United States, he will pay for shipping. If you're outside the US, you would have to pay for it. Now, the benefit of that motherboard is that there are some things that are not included in this kit. The kit includes most everything you're going to need except for the metal bar nearest the connectors, and there are a few select ICs that are not included. And you would otherwise need to have a battery bomb board to extract those things. And well, because Charlie is going to very graciously donate this to the winner, then you're going to have a truly 100% complete kit in addition when you include that battery bomb board. So thank you, Charlie, for your kind willingness to do that. I mean, isn't that amazing? So here we go, folks. We're now going to choose the winner. Now that's why I have this computer here before me, and I am using a website that's called Comment Picker or YouTube Random Comment Picker. It's just a free website that anyone can use, and what I have to do is paste in the link to my giveaway video, because the way to qualify for this giveaway is to make a comment, right? You've had a month, and to make a comment under that video. So what this initial step does is it will grab all of those comments so that it can pick them. However, I need to click Filter Duplicate Users down here, and what that does is it makes sure that everyone has a 100% equal chance of winning. Some people put more than one comment, and we don't want to give people multiple entries, you know. And so what this does is it filters out multiple comments to ensure that everyone who commented will be treated as having made one comment. And then down at the bottom, there's a sum that we have to solve, the anti-spam sum. And then I go to Get YouTube Comments. And okay, we have a lot of comments here. And then we have our start button. I'm getting ready to click it. Are you nervous? Are you excited? You should be, if you entered anyway. Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, start! Woohoo! Who's the winner? Oh, all right! We have a winner, but it's not over yet because I have to head over to my video and then find the winner's comment. See if I can find it here. Because, as stated in the official rules, I have to heart the winner's comment. And the reason for the hearting is that only I can do that. Now, some of you, early on, you probably saw the scammers and the spammers come by with their words Telegram. Whenever you see Telegram on YouTube, you know it's a scam. And what they do is they rip off my avatar, they pretend it's me, they create a channel name that sounds like JDW, you know, and then they contact you by a reply. And they did trick 2 people. Not completely trick them, but there were 2 people who were kind of curious, is it really me or not? And they contacted me by email, which was the right thing to do. And I told them no, it was a scammer. But only I can apply a heart, and that gives the winner confirmation that, hey, they won. So okay, here we go. We have the comment here. I'm going to heart it now, and then I'm going to type instructions on what they need to do to get in touch with me, and then the winner has 72 hours to get back to me, not just with a reply, but with their mailing address as well, because if they don't reply within 72 hours, then I'm going to have to pick somebody else. So we will just see what happens then. Well, I received a reply back from the winner with a shippable mailing address too, so I'm going to give this big box of joy another once over to make sure nothing is left out. Then I'll tape it off and get it mailed off to them. Now, I realize the vast majority of you out there were not winners, but please don't lose heart. I'm sure that we're going to have other fabulous giveaways like this in the future where you will have other chances to be a winner yourself. I'd also like to say that the entire purpose of this giveaway was to promote the SE Reloaded project. Nobody paid me to say this or to do the giveaway. I think it's just a fabulous thing to do for any vintage Mac owner. And I wanted to spread the word and get the word out, and hopefully the winner can maybe do a short video on it or otherwise tell people their experience to get more people involved. And if you'd like to get involved, now you're not going to have a kit that's complete like this, but Mac Effects sells the bare motherboards, and he actually donates pretty much all of the proceeds to the creator, Kai Robinson. He only keeps a little bit for the processing of the order and the costs associated with that, which is very generous of Mark to do that. So you can get a board over there, and you'll need to secure the components, but you have my videos, my BOM, where to source all the components. My videos act as a walkthrough that can help you complete the build. And there have been some people who've done the build without a kit like this. So I would encourage you to give it a try, and it's a very rewarding experience. So thanks to all of you who entered the contest. Thanks to all of you who watch my videos, who support this channel, and I wish you a wonderful month of Marchintosh. Take care. Bye-bye.